Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, dear friend? In the previous videos, you have learned about set and different ways to represent a set, and we have also covered a exercise. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss in detail about types of set. So, there are very different types of set: finite set, infinite set, empty set, unit set, universal set, equal set, equivalent set, disjoint set, overlapping set, subset, power set, and superset. Let's start discuss each one. Number one is a finite set. A set which contains finite number of elements is called finite set. It means that a set is said to be finite set if we able to count the number of elements in that set. So it is finite set. Example A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means that the number of elements in this set is 6. So this is finite set. Number second, b is equal to x such that x is natural number and x less than or equal to 20. It is also finite set because the number of elements in this set is 20 elements. Set c is equal to set of vowel of English alphabet, which is also finite set because number of vowel is 5. It is countable. The next one is infinite set. A set which contains infinite number of elements is called an infinite set. It means that a infinite set is a set in which number of elements are infinite and we cannot count the number of elements in this set. So S is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 4 up to so on. So it is infinite. There is no limit of elements. Number second, m is equal to x such that x belong to E mean even number and x greater or equal to 4. It is also infinite set because even number is infinite. Number 3 is empty set or null set. Empty set or null set. An empty set contains no element. It is denoted by this symbol as the number of element in empty set is finite. Empty set is finite set. It means that empty set is finite set. Example A is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and x greater than 8. It is not 7. It is 8. X such that x is greater than 8 and less than 9. So the number of elements which are natural between 8 and 9 is null set. There is no natural number between 8 and 9. So it is empty set. Q is equal to set of people born with wings. That is also empty set because there is no one who born with wings. Number third is universal set. It is very important set. A particular set which contains all the objects which are to be considered during some specific discussion is called universal set. Let's focus on example. You will learn it very easy. U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20, which is a universal set. And A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So A and B set is subset of U because the element of A and B is also in U. In this case, U is a universal set because it is a superset because the element of A and B also contained in set U. So in this case, U is a universal set. Now, unit set. What is unit set? Unit set are singleton set. A set which contains only one element is called singleton set or unit set. It is very easy. If you focus on its name, you will understand it very easy. Unit set means which contain only one element is called unit set. For example, if A is equal to x set of even prime numbers, we know that prime numbers start from 2 and all prime numbers are odd except 2. So it is only one number. So set of even prime number, it is 2. So set A equal to 2, only one element which is 2. Set B equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and x greater than 7 less than 9. So between 9 and 7 there is only one natural number which is a 8. Equal set. Two sets are said to be equal set if they contain same element. Equal set are those two are more than two sets in which element are same. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 3, 1. These are equal set. The arrangement of element doesn't matter because set A and set B are equal set. If we rearrange it, so it will be equal set. And number second, A is equal to set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime number which is only 1, 2. Set B is equal to x such that x belong to even number and positive even, and x less than 3. So the even number less than 3 is only 1, 2. So and set A and set B are equal set, equivalent set. Number 7. Two sets are said to be equivalent set if they contain same number of elements. You need to differentiate between equal and equivalency set. Equal set are those set which contain same element, and equivalent set are those set which contain same number of element. The cardinality of these set will be same. Let's example 1. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, set B is equal to 16, 15, 17. So the number of element in A and B are same. So these are equivalent set. Every equal set is equivalent, but every equivalent set is not equal set. Number second, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is equal to set of vowels of English alphabet. The number of element in set A is equal to 5, and the number of elements set B is also 5 because vowels are 5. So set A and B are equivalent set. Now, disjoint sets. Two sets are said to be a disjoint set if they have no common element. It means that if A and B are two sets, so there will be no common element in A and B. So A and B are said to be disjoint set. For example, A is equal to 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 up to so on, which is a set of odd number. So it will be equal to 4, 6, 8, 10 up to so on, which is set of even number. So there is no common element in A and B. So in this case, set A and set B are a disjoint set. Number second, A is equal to set of vowel of English alphabet. Set B is equal to set of consonant of English alphabet. In set A and set B, there is no common element. So set A and set B are said to be disjoint set. This end of video. Inshallah, in next video I will discuss about power set, superset, and subset. Best of luck. Thanks for watching.